Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm up on the roof on this 22 Forest River Legacy, and Dave's getting the roof all prepped up. It's all sheeted. The radius has been repaired. He's got all the seams taped. He's getting ready to place all the netting material, and he's coming up here doing his final cleanup on it. So he's blowing it all off. Everything's all been sanded down, and then he's getting it ready to later this afternoon get with a couple of the other guys and get the roof membrane glued down in place. Something else I want to talk about was like staples. You know, there's screws on the side edges, but they're staples. So they went back and added additional staples that the factory didn't put in, secured the material down better than what it was, and then we put a piece of thick, it's kind of like a duct tape, but it's a little bit stronger. So not like a Gorilla, but it's like a next level up. It's more fibrous to protect it, to keep the staples from ever wanting to come back out. And then while we were up here, and I was telling him, you know, we did see like some scratch marks. I don't know if you can see them in the video or not, but there's some scratches and stuff that were different trees over the time have come down and kind of swiped it, you know, all the way down. So watch the trees. I don't remember, did you remember what he hit? Because I know he hit the AC.
Impact damage was on the
Passenger rear.
and then he took his corner molding out too.
Oh, okay, so it was corner molding, the ladder, the rear AC, and then the roof material. So, okay, so and then that's again, there's the 3 air conditioners down there, and the one that's damaged, I believe we're replacing that, as well as the ladder that was on the back. And this boy's pretty long. As you can see, I'm up on a ladder, and I want to say it's what, 42, maybe 43 feet, something like that?
About 43.
Oh, 43 feet. So I know the membrane itself is 45. And so the type of roof that we put on the Dicor Diflex roof, and then we use a Dicor lap sealants and non-sag. And then this roof's going to be white. So, but anyway, stay tuned for more. We do have a bunch of cameras up in the roof up here, so we'll try to catch some of those. And thanks so much for watching. Great job, Dave. We'll see you when it's all done.